What's up guys? Coverage Genius here, back again with another video. Today is Sunday, January 3rd, 2021. 2021. That sounds so great. Better than 2020, right? Here on this channel, I help you navigate through insurance, financial planning, real estate, investing, finding sources of passive income, whatever it may be. I talk about it on this channel. So without further ado, let's go into 3 tips that you can implement to see whether or not you can save a little bit more on your current home insurance, okay? So tip number 1, do you have a security system installed at your home? Do you have a central alarm system? Insurance companies give a little discount on home insurance if you have such a system in place. Gone are the days of wired systems that are difficult to maintain and extremely expensive to install, okay? These days, you can do a simple search on Google or Amazon to find a system that works for you at a fraction of the cost, maybe a few $100s, and you can install this yourself, okay? It takes literally up to maybe 30 minutes to install, and you have a security system in place that protects your home and your family and provides you with a little discount on your home insurance. So if you haven't already, do a little search. I myself use a company called Simply Safe. I've been using them for a very long time. And I've never really had any issues with them, and they are very loyal to their customers. So, go check them out. They have a system that looks like this, that's very simple. You can build it out yourself and install it yourself in a fraction of the time, literally in 30 minutes. So go check them out, or go check out the other numerous systems that are available today. All right, enough of that. Let's go on to tip number 2. Tip number 2 is simply this. Take a look at your current home insurance policy. More specifically, your declarations page. That declarations page is going to list out a synopsis of the coverages that you have, okay? Look for coverage A, dwelling, and you'll see a dollar amount there. Does that dollar amount correctly correspond to the value of your home if you were to experience a total loss? Ask yourself that question. Is that dollar amount enough to rebuild your house to the same or better than how it was before you experienced that total loss? If that amount is enough, is sufficient, then fine, keep it where it is. But if it far exceeds that value of building your house, you may want to consider lowering that amount. Remember, the land value, the land, is not covered on your insurance dwelling A coverage. It's not included. It should not be included in that value, okay? Dwelling A coverage simply should be the value of your home. And many times, whether it's other insurance agents or when you're quoting out by yourself, you're including those 2 values, and that's incorrect. So check out that dwelling A coverage and see whether or not you can decrease that value. There have been times when I've saved my clients a good amount of money because I noticed that their dwelling A coverage was really too much for the type of home that they had. And that's where the experience of a good insurance agent comes into play, because they'll be able to see whether or not your home value corresponds correctly to the dwelling A coverage, okay? So enough of that. Let's go to tip number 3. And tip number 3 is simply this. Are you bundling your home insurance with your auto insurance? Now, we see all these commercials all the time on TV bombarding us with, oh, bundle your home and auto. And yeah, we hear this, but are we actually doing this? And surprisingly, many people do not have their home and auto insurance bundled together in a package with the same carrier. It could be for a number of reasons. Many times I see when I deal with new home buyers, okay, new homeowners, they were renters before, say they only had auto insurance and they got auto insurance through, Geico, for example, Geico, right? And now they're purchasing a home and you know what, they're shopping around and there's so much craziness that's going on that they don't want to switch any auto insurance, their company with that they have auto insurance with, to another company. So they'll go with another carrier that's different from, let's say, Geico, and they'll have their home insurance policy in place. But what they don't realize is that they're not utilizing a bundle, a package discount that would save them a few $100s, perhaps even more on both their home and their auto insurance. Now, Geico doesn't have a bundle package, okay? They will say, oh yeah, we also do home insurance too, but that's not offered through them. That's offered through one of their partner carriers. And there really is not a bundle discount there. So that's where someone like me can come into play, where I do have a bunch of insurance companies that offer home and auto bundles. And you'll come and ask me, and I will do the digging for you. I am the personal shopper for you to scour the marketplace to see where you can get the home and auto insurance bundle. So those were the 3 tips. Let's summarize once again. Number 1, do you have a home security system in place, a central alarm system? Number 2, is your dwelling A coverage correct? Does that correctly correspond or match to the value of your home if you were to experience a total loss? And number 3, are you taking advantage of the home and auto bundle discount with your insurance carrier? Those are the 3 things. Those are the 3 tips that I suggest to you to look into, because they can provide you with a significant amount of discount on your home insurance premium. Okay, so that's the quick video for today. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, please like the video, subscribe to my channel, definitely will help me out. And until next time, I'll see you guys real soon. Peace.